Yeah, you're right. That's why it makes it dangerous because you don't have much time to handle it.
Yeah.
This is a chainsaw chain. And we have the vice grips on it so that it'll flip it to the right side. Otherwise, it kept wanting to go on the wrong side. That's pretty much it. Tied to a rope.